Today we're going to hook up a single pole thermostat to a 2900 series TPI baseboard heater. First thing you want to do after you have your heater installed and the power wire coming to your heater, you want to install your thermostat by sliding it behind the protruding part of the element, like so. You will have two mounting screws that come with the thermostat. Now we're going to wire the thermostat after it's been installed. You will see that this thermostat can be installed on either end of the baseboard. You will disconnect the two wires that come inside the baseboard. These are your element wires, and you will want to hook one of the element wires, the one going across the top of the baseboard, to the neutral wire that's coming from your power. You then want to hook the red wire that's coming from your thermostat to the black or the red power wire that's coming from your power source. You have two wires left. You have a black wire coming from your element and a black wire coming from your thermostat. We'll hook those two together. And last but not least, we'll hook the ground wires together. The one coming from the power source and the one that's attached to the baseboard. Once you've finished with your wiring, you want to turn your power back on to check to see if the baseboard is working properly. After you complete this, turn your power back off. Shove your wires inside the junction box and install one of the two color-coded junction box covers that came with your thermostat. After you get your screw tight, you want to install your knob. Make sure she turns properly, and you're finished.